how to create a button click to pop up in Wix. First, you will need to open the Wix website editor. Once you're within the Wix website editor, we will need to use the search bar in the top right to search for Lightbox. Now search for Lightbox and then click on promotional Lightboxes. In here, you can choose whichever Lightbox you like the look of. So for example, I will just drag and drop this Lightbox here to this section. And now what we need to do, which is very important, you can customize this obviously to your liking, you can change everything. But we want to click on the settings button here. And where it says automatically display pop-up on pages, we need to select no. That way it's not going to pop up automatically, but instead once somebody clicks on a button. Okay, so once we have done this, then we can close it. And now let's say that we want to add a button here. So we're just going to search for button this time. Okay, so here text and icon buttons. So let's say that this is going to be our promotional button that they need to click. You can again drag and drop it wherever you want. And then we need to select settings here. Once we select settings, then you can choose links to, and right here you need to find your lightbox that we just created. So give me a second. Okay, so actually you can find it here. Once we click on link, it is going to be at the bottom, pop up. So you want to click on choose a page, and here this is going to be the promotional final sale pop-up, which we just added and done. Though now once somebody clicks on this button which we created, it is going to be linked to the promotional pop-up and it's going to make it pop up. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.